Throw some style around your home with this Farmhouse Stenciled Pillow from Oak Lane Studio. First, remove the pillow insert from the sham. If needed to keep your pillow sham flat, cut a square of cardboard as large as will fit into the unzipped sham opening. Next, spray one side of your stencil with Repositionable Spray Adhesive. Wait 30 to 60 seconds for the spray to cure. Then, position it over the pillow sham where you'll want the pattern to go. Thoroughly shake your bottle of navy blue Americana acrylic paint prior to pouring out a small amount onto a paper plate. Add half as much titanium white and mix well. Once blended, add an equal amount of fabric medium and mix until uniform in color and consistency. To avoid blotchiness, remove excess paint from the brush by swirling it repeatedly on a stack of paper towels. Apply the color in light coats either by swirling the paint onto the fabric or by lightly stippling. Continue until the color is even throughout the entire pattern. When finished painting, carefully peel away the stencil. To lock the color into the fabric, place a piece of cloth over the top and add heat, but not steam, using an iron. All that's left to do is replace the pillow insert, sit back, and enjoy the fresh new look of your home decor. For more tips and ideas, visit oaklanestudio.com today.